Hello everyone, my name is Satish. I'm a photojournalist working for the New Indian Express newspaper. In this video, I'm just going to share my own experience when I get tested positive for COVID-19. So it was a day on Tuesday afternoon 12 o'clock when I'm stepping into Rajiv Gandhi General Hospital for my assignment. It's a daily routine assignment. So I just got a call from an unknown number. So I spoke to them and they said they are speaking from Corona Control Room. And they said to me very humble with soft voice that I got tested positive. So it was a big shock for me, and mentally I'm not very stable after hearing that news. So but I said okay, happened is happened, so what should I do? They said okay, you go to your home, just pack up your dress and wait for some time. They said they will send some ambulance for me. So I just requested them, okay, I'll be coming out with my own vehicle to Omandur Hospital, which is located in Chennai. So after hearing the news, I was mentally upset and unstable. So I didn't expect this news in my lifetime. So that there are so many things which were coming out of my mind, and it was roaming inside my mind. Okay, what will I do if I get tested positive, or what will my family will suffer? My wife, my mom, they'll be in tears, my son, everyone. So it was a big news for me in a negative way, but after 1 hour I struggled a lot because the 1 hour I was my mind is not in stable, so I was thinking of several things: my salary, my work, what will the people will do, what my apartment will think about, and everything. After 1 hour I became normal and became stable, so I just went home. I packed my things, I took my lunch. After that, I went in my own bike to Omandur Medical Hospital. So several tests have made there, and after that by 7 o'clock I made my admission. I entered the Omandur Hospital around 2 o'clock. After several tests, I got admission in the same hospital by 7 o'clock. So I just went because when I'm entering into the hospital, I just had a mentality that okay, how good the hospital will be. Will the environment be good? How about the food? How about the cleanliness in the hospital? So I have various questions in my mind. So after entering into the hospital, I was more surprised to see that the ward is very clean, and the beds are very good, and there is a nice ambience, and stay calm there. So I just spent one night over there. So after the night passed, next day came, and I got my early morning breakfast, which was neatly packed, and it was delivered in a very good manner, in a gentle manner especially. So they gave me more soups and food and more tablets, I mean some vitamin tablets I think. So the food was really good, and ambience was very good, and it was very calm. So I was speaking to some of my colleagues, and I had my phone with me. So I was speaking to some of my colleagues, and everyone called me, and they said I should be strong or something like that. I really appreciate the way how they spoke to me, especially my colleagues, my photo editor, and everyone. So the days passed. So I was there for 2 days. In between the 2 days, as a photojournalist, always something hits me actually. Wherever I go, whatever the situation I face, whatever the experience. So I like to make a documentary of the inside the corona ward, because as a positive patient I can go inside, but as a negative person I can't go inside actually. It's very hard with the camera or something like that. So I thought it's a good opportunity for me to shoot some pictures over there. So I just shot some pictures. I just made a walking, or I just interacted with the people over there, and there were several peoples with asymptomatic, and even I'm an asymptomatic too. So the experience was nice. I just shot at something, and after 2 days I got discharged, approximately around 50 or 52 hours. I got discharged, and then I returned home with my own bike. So some of the things in my apartment, I just faced a little disappointments because my apartment people got scared while I'm entering into the apartment after I tested positive, even though I got discharged from the hospital with proper medication and everything. So with some conversation with them over the phone for half an hour, after that they accepted that I can enter into my apartment, into my own house. So that was a little bit disgusting thing in my lifetime. So I just entered my home. I'm in home quarantine right now. So I personally request everyone to have a look at the picture and have a look at this video, so that you can experience a COVID patient inside the COVID ward. Thank you very much.